Welcome back, everyone! Today we're checking out Uriel, a streaming app. So far, you can see it has a very striking 6.7 ratings, and it's also made by the same developers of Anime X and ASICS, both very popular options for streaming. Let's download it and check it out. So I've already set this up, so I loaded right in, but you have to set it up first. It's simple, so don't worry. Let's play around the settings. It's simple. We have our theme settings, where this is my preferred choice, UI settings, where you can adjust everything necessary. We have 2 players here, but I prefer to use Media Kit because it has filters. I'll show you later. You can also change the subtitle to your liking, which is nice. Next up, we can back up and restore our data, which is very nice, but usually it's just your localized list. This does not support Analyst or My Anime List tracking, so if you want that, I wouldn't use this app. We have DNS over HTTPS, which is beneficial because a lot of the times you can't access a site, but this fixes it. As you can see, we have all the known and trusted DNS. It also has a Discord RPC, which is useful, I guess, but you have to log in. I'll pass. And the usual, you can check for updates, you can help support the developers, and also check them out as well. They have both Discord and Telegram. Enough of this. Let's go check out the player now. We'll pick Hell's Paradise for our check. The alternative servers don't really work, so I'll use the main one. You also have to pick the anime on your own, so make sure you don't get the cover picture wrong, and don't mind the year. It's all the same. Nonetheless, not a problem for me. Here, you can fiddle around with a lot of settings. For example, you can change the video source right there, which is helpful. You can select the quality. You also get a lot of subtitle options, which is nice. This is one of my favorite features. You can add color profiles, which for me really elevated the experience. The subtitle placement is really bad, but that's fine. I can just learn Japanese, right? Just watch me fiddle for a moment. You can also select all the seasons of the anime, which is nice, but useless in my case. We also have the usual navigations, which feel smooth and nice. I approve of them. Let's exit the player and show you the bookmarking feature. This is pretty nice as well. You can make your own folders of your choice and add a movie, anime, or series to that. And to access that, you can just press this circle icon on the bottom right, and there you have it. For movies and TV shows, it works the same. Let me show you. So as you can see, it's pretty smooth and fast, and I have no complaints. It also seems to have a good library. You have a lot of options for subtitles, as you can see. So yeah, that's it. This is Uriel. It's a solid app for streaming movies, TV shows, and anime, and it's the most simple and best one I've seen so far. I definitely recommend it. If you guys want to talk, join my Discord, and for support, you can join Uriel's support server. Thank you for watching. Bye!